let's explore the kindergarten student experience in LIFEPAC by AOP. Each school day, your child will complete engaging math and language arts lessons from our colorful student books. Throughout the week, you will step into the role of hands-on teacher, guiding your child's learning journey. In kindergarten, your role in shaping your child's education is helping your child master the skills they will need for independent study, which typically begins in our third grade courses. Attention spans are short at this developmental stage. Our lessons are designed to maximize engagement with quick, focused bursts lasting 15 to 20 minutes. Each language arts student book contains 80 colorful lessons, a short log, followed by pages dedicated to writing practice, all designed to lay the foundation of reading and writing skills. These serve as optional supports, enriching and reinforcing core lessons. Each math student book contains 80 captivating lessons with hands-on learning activities that guide students through the joys of mastering the fundamentals of math. Complementing each lesson, our teacher's guide provides a simple list of materials and manipulatives, ensuring that you have a hassle-free setup for each day's math lesson. Additionally, LIFEPAC launch packs are a great add-on to your kinder curriculum to amplify the fun and make learning even easier. Is LIFEPAC right for your kindergarten student? Explore LIFEPAC to start your child's learning journey today.